In today's video, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly cars that don't just save you money up front, they'll keep saving you in the long run with their reliability. Yep, today we're talking about 9 cheap cars that are actually reliable. Let's get into it. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. First up is the legendary Toyota Corolla. This car is often touted as one of the most reliable vehicles ever made. With over 50 million sold worldwide, it's easy to see why. The Corolla is known for its low maintenance costs and long lifespan, often reaching 200,000 miles or more with minimal issues. Number 2. Honda Civic. Next up is another Japanese staple, the Honda Civic. The Civic is known for its fuel efficiency, smooth ride, and incredible reliability. It's not uncommon to see Civics on the road with over 300,000 miles, still running strong. Number 3. Hyundai Elantra. Coming in at number 3 is the Hyundai Elantra. Over the past decade, Hyundai has really stepped up its game, and the Elantra is proof of that. This compact sedan offers great value, especially in the used market, with lots of features for the price. Number 4. Mazda 3. Fourth on our list is the Mazda 3. This car is perfect for anyone who loves to drive. It's fun, sporty, and surprisingly reliable. The Mazda 3 combines great handling with solid build quality, and is often praised for its low repair costs. Number 5. Toyota Yaris. Next is the Toyota Yaris, one of Toyota's smallest but most reliable cars. If you're in the market for an affordable, fuel-efficient car that can last for years, the Yaris is a great pick. These little guys are known for their tough engines and cheap maintenance. Number 6. Subaru Impreza. Number 6 is the Subaru Impreza. Known for its all-wheel drive, the Impreza is perfect for anyone living in areas with tough weather. It's one of the more affordable all-wheel drive cars out there, and it's surprisingly reliable for its price range. Number 7. Nissan Versa. Number 7 is the Nissan Versa. This is one of the most budget-friendly options available, and it's been praised for its reliability. While it's not the flashiest car out there, it gets you where you need to go, and it does so without breaking down. Number 8. Ford Focus. Coming in at number 8 is the Ford Focus. Known for its European roots and great handling, the Focus is a solid option for those who want a reliable compact car. The Focus has a reputation for lasting well into high mileage with minimal issues. Number 9. Kia Soul. Last but definitely not least is the Kia Soul. This quirky little crossover offers a unique design and a reliable engine, making it a great choice for those who want something different but still practical. Plus, the warranty that comes with these cars is hard to beat. So, there you have it. 9 cheap cars that are actually reliable. These cars not only offer great value, but are known for their longevity and low maintenance costs. Let me know in the comments which one of these cars caught your eye, or if you've had any great experiences with one of them. Don't forget to like the video if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more car-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.